In this video, we will learn the basics of Microsoft Word 365 step by step. We will learn how to open, create, and save a document or Word file in this video. So if you are beginner and if you are new to Microsoft Office Word or MS Word, this video is totally for you. So let's start. Hello to everybody, I hope you to be fine and well. I'm Wali Ahmad Mohammadi, here to teach you how you can use from Microsoft Word or MS Word. First of all, let's know what is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is one of the most popular document editing programs in the world. Students use that for assignment, office, workers use that for reports, letters, and freelancers use that for professional documents and resumes. And in this course, in this playlist, we will start from the basics and gradually move to advanced feature together. So we will step by step start from basics of Microsoft Office and Word. Then we will go furthermore to best and advanced feature of this great program. Now let's open Microsoft Word. I have already installed Microsoft Office on my computer. So Office is a collection of programs like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and much more. I have Microsoft Office Pro Plus 2024, so you can use any version of that you want. So now I will go to Start menu and type Word. This is the first time that you are going to open Microsoft Word. So before that, for easy opening, next time I will right click on the Word program that I have searched and it appear here. So I can pin from Start menu and from taskbar. So now it's already pinned. I can unpin that and now search for Word program, right click on the program, and then I can now pin to Start menu and pin to taskbar. So first I will pin to taskbar, here it is, and I will right click and pin to Start menu too. So I have now Microsoft Word here. I can replace it to be the first, so we will use that later, and I will click on that, and this is the first page that you are going to see from Microsoft Word. Step by step we will learn how to use that and how to create document and much more. Let me close the program, and again from the taskbar menu I click on the Word program and it's open. So now in this page you see the home, new, and open selections. So here is the title and the icon of Word. This is the close and minimize and maximize window that you can do. And now what are these? And we are going to step by step. I'm going to step by step tell you what's home, new, and open. Together we will learn that. First of all, home. In this section we have a summary of new and open section together. So in the home I can create a file, and also if I had a file, or I can open my recently used files. I should tell you that with MS Word we make documents. So if you want to create a file, the files of Microsoft Office is called documents. So you can see that I can use or I can make a blank document here, or there are many templates that I can use and download them or use them. That's also a way. So here I can click on blank document and make a new and blank document for myself in a start. So before starting this and to tell you, to introduce you everything about this page that we have, I want to close and step by step tell you what are the other sections. This is the recent section that there are my documents that I have used recently. They are here, as you can see. And then that was home, and in the new section we can make new documents here. You can see there are lots of templates that I can use. These are from Microsoft or Office, and you can also search for every template that you want. They are here, and there are also some filters that you can use. So let me click on one of them, and then click on create. Here you can see that this is a template that I have clicked and comes to my Office program, my Word program. Let me don't save that, and then I start back again. That was new, and let's focus on Open. In Open, I can open my documents that I already have on my computer. Here on recent, we have recent section, this PC, OneDrive, and also add a place and browse. So first of all, recent. On recent section, I can see the documents that I have recently opened, and these are the documents. Here I have also folders. The folders, all those folders that I have documents, Word documents in them, and then I can use them like my desktop. Click that, and this is the recently project that I have used with MS Word. The next section is this PC. When you click on this PC, this is like your this PC here. If you search, let me search that for this PC. This is like your this PC. If you open that, you can see your drives, also your downloads, documents, and everything else. Here is the same. When you click on this PC, you can see your desktop, documents, downloads, local disk C, E, and then H. I can click on local drive E, then on teaching, computer, ICDL. I have a file here, a document here. I can click on one of them, and then it's going to be open for me. So it's one of my documents that I have worked with my students. Let me close the program and go back to the MS Word. Now that was recent, and then this PC2. So OneDrive and Place are those we can use them from internet. If you know something about OneDrive, that's great. But if you don't know, inshallah, we are going to make videos about that too. And the next section is browse. Browse is like your this PC. There is a new module or a window open. You can use that to open your documents that you already have on your PC or on your laptop. Here I went to computer, then on ICDL, and then I open the Word folder, and there are many some documents that I have in this folder, so I can click on them and then click on the open section. I click open, and you can see this is my file. So now let me go back and open the Word program and make a blank document that we step by step learn how to use that. Let me summarize what we have learned. Till now, we have learned how to make a blank document, then how to use from templates that Microsoft Office has, and also how to open a file or something or a document that we have in our PC or in our computer. So now, this is the first window that you are going to face with that after clicking on a new file. Here we have quick access toolbar, then the name of the document, search section, and also if you have a MS account or Microsoft account, you can click here and then see that this is minimize, maximize, and close we have here. And there are these are the ribbons. These are the tabs that we will going to use them, going to learn all of them and also learn how to use them. Then these are some information about your document that we have now. And also here the types of seeing a document, and then minimize and maximize that we have here. I'm sorry, this is zoom section. You can zoom in and also zoom out. That was short information about Microsoft Word and how to open this file. And the next video, I'm going to start with writing something and also saving that we have in Microsoft Word, and how to save as, how to rename. We are going to learn everything about that. Thank you so much for this video. Have a great time. Goodbye. See you soon at the next video.